Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on JASMY. Needed a bit of an update because I was wrong, all right? Yesterday what I said is that, all right, JASMY was showing some bearish momentum, right? So we had some sort of a, well, in hindsight, probably fake out right here. And then together with some more bearish pressure in the markets, which we saw right here from Monday afternoon. JASMY got a bearish breakout, retested that, but what I said is that, all right, well, it seems like, and it seemed like that yesterday morning, but in the end that did not really turn into anything, but it seemed like JASMY was gaining some momentum again, which was right here, so that it could reclaim 1.95 cents and potentially rally back up to 2.15 cents. But what we did instead of that is that for the entire afternoon, we were not able to get some sort of a break above 1.95 cents, even when Bitcoin was showing some momentum. So that was already a bearish confirmation. So maybe then I already should have known it. But that's a bearish confirmation, all right? If we gained some momentum, which we did, but we're not able to reclaim a level we broke down below, that's a bearish confirmation. And then what we saw is that Bitcoin started falling yesterday evening, and that's when the main support level for JASMY, which was around 1.85 and 1.88 cents, broke. And what you see at the same point of time, which I mean, I'm not going to give excuses, but I do think that some whales sold off a lot of JASMY, because what you can see is that the open interest, so the amount of open positions was dropping down a lot, and it seems like some sort of a VWAP position where basically a number of JASMY is sold off every half hour or something. So the open interest dropped down from 25 million to 23 million dollars. That's $2 million in positions closed. So that brings us to where we are right now. I would say that JASMY at this moment is not bearish, all right? I still think that there's a good chance that we can actually rally back up. But there's two things we need, and that is that Bitcoin finds support, which happened briefly overnight, but is definitely not the case right now, and that JASMY regains momentum. All right, what you can see is that there is some spot buying coming in, so that's interesting. That could lead to something good, but the sell-off is still stronger than the spot buying. So this is a bit of a bullish indication, and apart from that, the main reason why I think that JASMY is not bearish is that the EMAs are flat right here, and if you zoom out, this is basically just one big consolidation. All right, and now we are getting towards the bottom of that consolidation between 1.65 cents and 1.75 cents, which is also the area we touched this morning. So purely technically, there is a chance for some sort of recovery here. If you look at the spot buying, that's another indication that some sort of recovery is in. Now the only thing we need is momentum. We don't even necessarily need Bitcoin to be strong. Just having that momentum is enough. But right now, that momentum isn't there. All right, so I have to tell you that, or at least it's just objectively true, that we hit a significant support level, so we might bounce up from there. But I think it's most likely for now that we'll actually drop down lower towards 1.65 cents, the main support level in this consolidation. So that's what I think is most likely. Like I said, I see no reason yet why that level would give up. So from there, I think we'll be able to find some sort of support and rally back up to at least 2 cents again. But that's something I'll keep you updated on. All right, it's too early to tell right now because it is dependent on certain things like JASMY gaining momentum here and Bitcoin finding support. So for now, short term, most likely to get a bounce and bearish continuation. Longer term, it's most likely we'll hold this consolidation and that we will get bullish momentum in the next week or so. But those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.